So hi investors, welcome to today's video. Today we are gonna cover one of the interesting company in medicine space. So what if I told you that one Indian pharmaceutical company is trying to solve a disease that inflicts every kind of nearly 100 to 400 million people globally every year, and a disease that returns every monsoon, even disease that fills a hospital. And what if I told you that this company is not a startup but it is a new age biotech company, but for a 40 years old Indian vaccine manufacturer quietly working on this opportunity for almost 2 decades, and the company is Panacea Biotec Ltd. And recently the stock has suddenly caught investor attention. The reason is its dengue vaccine candidate, DengiAll, so has crossed a major milestone, and many investors believe this could be one of the biggest value creation trigger in the company's history. And so in this video we will understand why Panacea Biotec is important, and why the stock has started moving the dengue vaccine opportunity, and whether this is just a market sentiment excitement or genuine long-term business transformation, and most importantly, can this company become next vaccine success story. Most investors have forgotten Panacea Biotec. When investors think about Indian vaccine company, they usually think about Serum Institute, Bharat Biotech, and GSK. Very few immediately think about Panacea Biotec, but historically Panacea has been one of the India's most important vaccine manufacturer, and the company has supplied millions of doses to WHO pre-qualified polio vaccines across more than 50 countries, and has been a partner with Global Polio Eradication Initiative. In fact, Panacea developed EZ5, a fully liquid pentavalent vaccine, and EZ6, one of the world's fully liquid hexavalent vaccine. This isn't a company learning vaccination, but vaccines are in its DNA. Chapter 2. Let's understand the business. Today, Panacea operates through two major segments. Vaccine is the first. Historically the largest contributor. The company manufactures and export vaccines globally. Second is pharmaceutical formulation, including oncology, diabetes, and renal therapies. Products are sold across the many countries, including United States, Germany, Russia, Turkey, Canada, Vietnam, Sri Lanka. This gives Panacea a diversified base beyond the vaccines. But let's be honest, nobody is buying the stock today because regular formulation, but the market is focused on one thing: DengiAll. Chapter 3. The reason the stock is running. The biggest reason behind the sharp move in the stock is the progress behind the Panacea dengue vaccine program. After a year of development, the company announced the completion of enrollment for the phase 3 clinical trial of DengiAll with more than 10,300 participants across India. This is a huge milestone. Why? Because vaccine development is not a strategic line. Most projects never reach this stage, and Panacea has crossed research. So phase 1 is done, phase 2 is done, safety follow-up are done, large scale phase 3 enrollment is done. Now the vaccine enters in the monitoring phase before potential regulatory approval. The market immediately understood the significance, and the stock had reacted sharply as investors started discounting the possibility of future commercial launches. So we have discovered this stock 1 year back when we got the info of they are developing such kind of vaccination, and from that point we are tracking the stuff. We were not seeing a huge kind of revenue growth in this company, but the thing was this only. We were waiting for this stuff, and yeah, let's see how it's move on. So why dengue is much massive opportunity is that most people underestimate the dengue, but the number of strangers and the World Health Organization estimate hundreds of millions of infections annually. Nearly half of the world population is dengue risk region. And now think about this, that unlike many diseases, dengue is spreading due to a climatic change. Urbanization is increasing exposure, and tropical countries continues to see recurring outbreaks, and there are still very limited vaccine options globally. That creates a potentially enormous market. And Panacea DengiAll is designed has all single dose vaccines, and meaning it's targeting all 4 dengue stereotypes in its one shot. And if it's successfully, it could become India's first indigenous single shot dengue vaccine. This is actually why investors are getting excited about it. Latest news making headlines. The story has become even bigger recently. Pinnacle joined the International DengiAll project, a global initiative led by International Vaccine Institution aimed at accelerating dengue vaccines licensure and development in high burden region. Management is now targeting a global population of approximately 3.9 billion people that live in dengue risk region. Think about the number, not million, it's billion. And this is why the market is beginning to value the Pinnacle less like traditional pharma company and more like vaccine platform company. Why the opportunity could be bigger than investors think? Most investors focus only on India, but vaccines are global business. If DengiAll eventually receives the approval, the opportunity isn't just India, it's government procurement. It includes South Asia, Africa, Latin America, the region where serious health concerns comes. What could drive growth beyond dengue? Even without dengue, Pinnacle isn't standing still. Okay, the company already has vaccine manufacturing expertise, global distribution, export presence, and WHO link credibility. Its formulation business continues to operate across multiple therapy segments. So investors are not necessarily buying one product company; they are buying a company that where one breakthrough product and potentially transform the earning profile. The future is like the next 12 to 24 months could be the most important period for Panacea Biotec modern history. Investors will closely look the phase 3 efficient outcome, regulatory development, potential approval pathway, government procurement opportunity, international partnership, and commercial launch timeline. If DengiAll reaches market successfully, Pinnacle could move from being a relative overlooked vaccine manufacturer to become one of the most important player in the dengue prevention ecosystem. This is a bull case in the market as starting as a price in. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Make the YouTube brother happy, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, guys.